All right, this is an absolute gem, perfect trading strategy for beginners to make big money, and it's very consistent, even though you think it might not be. It's crazy consistent. All right, we're gonna run through this. So this is the red 4-hour candle retracement. Okay, and again, this is mostly because we are in a bullish market that you'll see this. If it's ever a bearish market, you better, test, be safe out there. But in a bullish market, as the NASDAQ commonly is, we're essentially waiting for large red candles, okay? Or large red continuations. Basically, whenever we have a big sell-off on a 4-hour candle, we are then looking for the next 4-hour candle to flip green, and we will enter for a trade. We will set our stop loss below the previous red 4-hour candle, and our TP at 50% of the large 4-hour candle. You have to wait for a large red candle. It has to be a big red candle. It has to have a red body. It cannot be cannot have just wick. All right, here we go. We finally have an actual red set up. Now again, we are waiting for our green candle to break above. So let's see how much lower we go. All right, now we have flipped green. All right, we'll enter for a buy. We're going to put our stop loss below the red candle, and we're really going to go all the way to 50% of all of this range, okay? So we'll put our take profit. Again, we're only trading one candle because we have to have some good length on there to get it. Boom, straight to take profit. Crazy. All right, we got a pretty good red candles here. We are waiting for a green 4-hour candle to flip. See what happens. Now this I would consider a flip, okay? And we'll enter in for a buy. We'll put our stop loss at the bottom of this red candle here. Or really at the bottom of the, let's just put it there. We'll put our take profit at 50% of this little range that we have here. My dogs will bark really loud. Take profit will be here. Looking at a 1-to-1. Boom, straight to take profit. Crazy. So here we go. We're looking at our 4-hour candles. We're still red. We'll wait for a green candle to flip a big red candle right there. Let's wait for the next 4-hour candle. All right, 4-hour candle is flipped. Let's enter in for a buy. We put our stop loss at the bottom. Where the hell is the bottom of this? I guess we would really want to put it like all the way down here. So we're at like 2,000. Put our take profit at 50% of the range. Really, the range is all the way up here. Take profit. So we're at about a 1-to-1. You could probably move your stop loss to exactly to a 1-to-1. Let's play it out. Boom, straight to take profit. This is big money, dude. All right, let's keep going. Let's do another one. Again, it has to be a big red candle, though. It has to be, and it has to close with a big red. All right, so we got 3 continuous. I'm going to be waiting for a 4-hour candle to flip green. Brand new green candle. Again, this is in the London session, so probably wouldn't be awake for this. Well, we're just testing it as a theory. 1, we're going all the way for our take profit. 50% of the range. So we'll just try for a 1-to-1 here. Boom, straight to take profit. It's crazy. All right, see what happens from here. Worked for that one too. Wasn't quite big enough for my liking. There's a big red candle. Okay, again, we're looking for a green candle, 4-hour candle to flip green. Flipping green here. Enter in for a buy. Put our stop loss. We really want to be like all the way down here, which is quite a lot. Not sure if the risk to reward is there for us, but let's test it out. put our TP 50%. So we probably just want to risk 1-to-1 on this. Let's see what happens. Oh, had a bit of a juke. Spider juke down here. We got taken out. So it's not perfect. But then it does go to take profit eventually. Look at that. That's crazy. All right, we got a sell off. Back to 50%. Did it there. Again, we want big red candle somewhere. Come on, come on, come on. Huge red candle. Love it. Let's see if we can get a 4-hour candle to flip to green. Never flips. All right, we got a flipper. Okay, so we're going to put we're going to enter in for a buy here. Buy. We're going to put our stop loss. Bottom of this red candle. Take profit is going to be pretty much 50% of this body is what I'm feeling confident in right now. TP right here. All right, let's see what happens. Boom. Oh my God. Big money. Next, all right, big red candle. We gotta wait for it to close. So that one did flip. And we can go for like a real small move here. We want to risk it. Let's test it. We're testing. So test, stop loss. Really, we want to put it all the way down here. Put our TP right there. Probably just go 1-to-1. See if we can get it. Oh, we came really close. But then we continue to the downside. Here's another opportunity for a chance at the big times. So now we consider all of this bullish. Now we want to make our money back. So we put our stop loss all the way down here. Take profit is going to go right here. Oh, we came so close. No, we did hit it. Right to take profit. Wow. This is awesome, guys. I don't know if you know that. But this is some good stuff right here. Alright, we had a minor flip. Now we finally do flip green. We're going to probably take the bulk of this body right here. Really we would have wanted to wait until we totally flip green. Let's hit the buy button. Stop loss. That's pretty low. We'll go right here maybe. Put our take profit here. We could try a 1-to-1, even though that wasn't quite what we did last time. We got stopped out. Let's see what happens. Long trade. Straight to take profit. Holy cow, ladies and gentlemen. Holiest of cows. Another big red candle. We are flipping green here, so now the range moves. Let's see if we can flip into this a little more. All right, there we go. We got a good confirmation. We're going to enter in for a buy. Put our stop loss at the bottom down here. We're going to have our take profit way up here. We'll see what happens. Boom, went straight to take profit. Oh, big red candle. Never flipped green, slightly flipped, kept going down. All right, finally we get a little flip. For the bodies, put our buy, stop loss. We could probably be conservative and put it here. Take profit right there. Not great risk to reward, but we got it in a little late. Let's see if we hit it. Boom, nailed it. Kept going too. Finally, a big red candle. Okay, we flip green. Let's try it out. Let's hit for a buy. Put our stop loss bottom of this. Take profit 50%. Nails a take profit. Crazy. Wow. Barely flip green. Big red candle. That one was a trap. Alright, this one we're going to buy. Put our stop loss down here. Take profit. I'm going to put it in the middle of these three. See if this one happens. Take profit. Oh, shoot. It's right there. Still, 600 bucks. Pretty sweet. We fucking hit it, and then we absolutely tank. That was pretty cool. And actually, when we tanked, look at this. So let's see, we get tip back in, we get our 50%. And then this candle just dumps, right? And then we can enter in again here. So this is the New York Open, so this is pretty volatile, but we can buy right here. Put our stop loss, a little below. Let's see what 50% of this is. Put our take profit here. 1 to 2. We would have had to wait all day. Oh, we're so close to hitting it. I must have been off by a little bit. Still, though, we can move our stop loss. 800 bucks. And the money, boom, take profit. These are more swing trades. Continue red candle. See what happens. Alright, we're waiting for a green candle to flip. We're just kind of at the tip of that one. I'm tempted to take it. Yeah, let's just test it. We're just back testing, right? I'm not really losing money. Put it here. We'll put our stop loss 50% of the bodies. TP right there. 1 to 2. Boom, straight to take profit. Wow. Even when I don't want to take the trade, the process still works. Jeez. What are we doing here? Making money? Big red candle. Wait for it to close. That one flipped in for just a second, right? Now we're continuing to the downside. Now we're pretty aggressively green right here. Let's see if we can get this move, even though it is a fairly aggressive move. Put the stop loss down here. TP 50% of the range, 1 to 1. This is in the Asia session, so I'd be asleep. I don't know if I would have, but yeah, this goes into the night. Doesn't hit or take profit till the next day. Boom! Right to our take profit. Wow. Big wow. Big red candle. Real red candle. I love it. I love it so much. Alright, we'll enter in for a buy. Stop loss down here. Take profit. Way the hell up here. See what happens. Boom! Big payday. Thank you. Thank you. I would like to thank my weenie dogs for this amazing accomplishment. I will now take questions from the fans. We do this for you. Oh my God. Red candle. Another big red candle. Flippage. We have a flip. Let's go for the buy. Now we might get stopped out here, but again, as we've noticed, it doesn't matter because we'll make it back on the real one. 1, 2. Let's TP to 50%. Straight to take profit. I trade Monday to Friday. Make money in back testing. This is funny. Big red candle. A little bit of green. Let's try it. Why not? On our stop loss, bottom down here. We'll say 50% of all these little bodies. Not a huge win. TP. Not really worth it, but probably hit it. We'll see. Alright, to the profit. Oh, this one didn't hit. Yeah, it did. Alright, I think you guys get it.